We interrupt this program because of a local emergency. Important information will follow. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Ohio State Governor's Office. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. All state and local broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the Ohio Governor's Office to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WCOL. We will continue to serve the world of coal. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the world of coal. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should remain open for emergency use. At 1:12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, an individual escaped from an Ohio State psychiatric facility previously undisclosed to the public. A shelter-in-place warning is now in effect for the entire state of Ohio. To shelter in place, take the following actions now. Lock all windows and doors. Turn off all heating and ventilation systems. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Close all blinds to the windows, and do not look outside for any reason at all. Turn on a battery-powered radio to receive news and updates on the situation. More information will be released to the public as it becomes available. Stay tuned to local media outlets for further information on this developing situation. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Ohio State Governor's Office. This is an update to the state emergency. At 1:25 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the individual that escaped from an Ohio State psychiatric facility was spotted by members of the public. Law enforcement officials are reporting that this individual is 6 feet tall, wearing white robes, and has no facial features. Additionally, the man has no eyes, no ears, no nose, and no lips. It is believed that this individual may be Faceless Jim, a supernatural entity known for creeping around the homes of his victims before making them disappear. If you hear a knock on your door, do not answer it. If you see men with no facial features, do not panic. This may be shocking, but panicking will make the situation worse. Do not approach this individual. Dial 911 if you believe you have spotted him or have any information on his whereabouts. Continue to monitor local media outlets for further information on this developing situation. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Ohio State Governor's Office. This is an update to the state emergency. At 1:35 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, there were confirmed spottings of Faceless Jim in rural areas of Ohio. State police officials are not releasing the names of the towns to the public, but dozens of families are now missing. It was reported to an emergency dispatch center that a white eye appeared on their television before Faceless Jim attacked. The shelter-in-place warning is now in effect until further notice. The use of force is authorized to defend yourself against Faceless Jim. Stay tuned.
Don't be scared of Faceless Jim. You only scream for a minute. Then you can join the rest of the souls I've claimed.